Okay, today I'm going to show you how you can use RPR and BoomTown for home evaluation leads. You're going to get people that want a home evaluation, but they aren't necessarily motivated enough for you to come over and do a pre-list. So using RPR and BoomTown, I'm going to show you a very quick and simple way for you to actually speed up this process and leverage RPR. So the first thing is make sure the address with the zip code important is accurate and dialed in here. Then you should be logged into RPR on your computer and click the RPR summary. And what's going to pull up is a highlighted version of the home and who owns it and what's on the tax records. So from there, you can create a report. See what the home looks like. Create a report here. My favorite reports are the market activity and the neighborhood report. The market activity, I'm going to show you a sample, has some stats about that area, that zip code, and then it does have some comps in there. So that is one of my favorite reports. The property and the seller's report and the property flyer, valuation workbook, a lot of these have a valuation in it. And because this typically is not very accurate, I don't really recommend sending valuations off because it can give that person the wrong impression of either their home or you. So I like these two reports because I'm kind of playing it safe there. And then what I do, you have to go down here to run the report. It will download or will open up as a link, and you can either attach that report to your email that you're sending off, or you can embed the link, either one. I don't really like sending it directly from RPR because it's not saved in BoomTown. And then once you have downloaded it, you just simply want to go here and pull up an email template that you already created. And what I say on that email template is I basically say this home evaluation is a rough estimate. It has some comps in there. Of course, for me to give you an accurate valuation of your home, I'd have to minimally at least talk to you, if not come over to your house. If you have a great, then I would basically ask something, when's the best time for us to connect? And I would put my to-do to follow up the next day to make sure that they received it. And that is a great way to send off a home evaluation to somebody who's requesting it, but they're not quite engaged enough for you to go over there and have an actual appointment. Hope this helps.